In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my Macrame charm bracelet. To make your bracelet, you'll need either a clipboard with clips or sellotape to hold your bracelet in place, a lighter or matches, and a pair of scissors. I'm going to be using my clipboard for this demonstration. First, put all of the other items to one side and open out the organza bag inside your bracelet kit. You will find your charm of choice, one short cord, 2 medium length cords and 2 long cords. In this tutorial I am using an anchor charm. Follow this first step for the anchor charm only. Take one of the medium length cords and create a loop. Fold the top of the loop over to create 2 smaller loops. Hook the loop over each end of the anchor and pull it tight. Start here if using any other charm other than an anchor. Take a medium length cord and fold it in half. Put the loop you have made through the hole in the charm from the front aspect of the charm to the back. Put the 2 ends of the cord through the middle of the loop and pull tight. If the hole in the charm is too small, just thread one end of the cord into the hole. Attach the cords to your clipboard using clips, or take both ends down using sellotape to hold them in place. Take one of your long pieces of cord and tuck it underneath the lower 2 middle strands. Position the long piece of cord so that there is equal cord on the left and right hand side. Take the cord on the left and place it over the top of the vertical cords in the middle to create a 4 shape. The cord on the right hand side needs to lay over the top of the left hand cord. Tuck the end of the right hand cord underneath the left hand cord and the middle. Pull the right hand cord up and through the loop and tighten to create your first knot. Place the cord on the right hand side over the top of the middle cords to create a P shape. Take the left hand cord and lay it over the top of the end of the right hand cord. Tuck the end of the left hand cord underneath the middle and the right hand cord. Pull the left hand cord up and through the loop and tighten to create your second knot. Repeat this process until you have sufficient knots. For most charms this is about 18 knots counted down one side of the bracelet, but you can measure this on yourself for the most accurate fit. Now do the same for the other end of the bracelet. Once complete, you can remove the bracelet from the clipboard. And we now need to trim and seal the ends, which should be done by a responsible adult. Trim the ends of the bracelet fairly close with scissors. Using a lighter or lit match, melt the ends of the cord and then press with the end of your scissors to seal. Repeat this process for the other 3 ends. Now that the main body of the bracelet is complete, we're going to move on to the sliding knot fastener. To do this, make sure your bracelet is facing with the inside upwards. Loop the middle strands around your fingers so that all 4 strands lay next to each other. Either tape these to the table or secure onto the corner of your clipboard with the 2 clips. Place the short piece of cord that we put to one side underneath the middle 4 cords and position it so that there is equal cord on the left and right hand sides. Take the left hand side of your cord and place it over the top of the 4 vertical cords to create a 4 shape. Take the right cord and lay it over the top of the end of the left cord. Take the right hand cord and tuck it underneath the left hand cord and the middle 4 strands. Pull it up and through the loop. And then tighten to create the first knot on your sliding knot fastener. Now take the right hand side of your cord and place it over the top of the 4 vertical cords to create a P shape. Take the left-hand cord and place it over the top of the end of the right-hand cord. Tuck the end of the left-hand cord underneath the right-hand cord and the middle 4 strands. Pull it up and through the loop, and tighten the cords to create the second knot on your sliding knot fastener. Repeat this process 2 more times until your sliding knot fastener looks like this. You can now remove the bracelet from your clipboard, and it's time to trim the ends of the sliding knot fastener, which again should be done by a responsible adult. Trim the ends of the sliding knot fastener fairly close with scissors. Use a lighter or lip match to melt the ends of the cord. Using the metal part of your scissors, press against the melted cord to flatten it against the knots. Do the same for the other side. Tie a knot in each end of the bracelet, leaving enough room to be able to slide the bracelet on and off over your hand when the bracelet is fully open. Trim the ends of the knots so that they are neat and tidy. Finally, melt the cut ends so that they don't become frayed. Once again, this should be done by a responsible adult. And with that, your Handmade at Daisy Daisy macrame charm bracelet is finished.